SoundHound is up over 91% since we initially started covering this publicly. And I want you to understand that while we are up a lot on this, we have been so patient. We've been hunting this position since February 24th of this year, and it's now September. And so before we go any further, before I share with you why we went into this in the first place, where I think it's headed, and why I think there's still a chance this thing is going to go crazy, I want you to first understand how much patience is needed in order to trade and invest at a high level. And I don't say this as a pat on my back. I've been doing this for over 11 years, and it's one of the hardest aspects about what I do, especially publicly. But if you want to make life-changing returns, that's what it takes. It takes the ability to be patient, and more importantly, the ability to lose. We're only right 59.5% of the time. But what you will notice is that we will be hunting these positions for months. Back in February, we were looking at SoundHound. Back in February, March, and April, we were saying that UNH, United Health, had to continue to fall and that we would be buying inside of the smart money zone. And that's exactly what we did on both of them. UNH bounced off our smart money zone finally, and we're up over 46% in 42 days. SoundHound pulled right into that smart money zone as we expected and is now up over 100% in 106 days. So before we go any further, I want you to understand that being a successful trader and investor is very much so possible and really not that hard from a technical perspective. But from a psychological standpoint, it's one of the hardest things because it requires patience and discipline, which 90% of people don't have. Now, let's get into this analysis. Now, back in February, we were watching for price to pull back into our smart money zone. That is this purple level that you can see right here between $8 to $7. This is a very, very important level because what it means is that price action is trading at a significant discount. And any time that we are buying something, I want to only be buying when it is at a discount, because that is normally going to be when institutions are going to enter into a position. An institution is not going to start a trade up here. This is what's called exit liquidity. They are going to enter at a discount and exit at a premium, which is why we expected them to enter between $8 and $7 and then exit back up at $22 to $26. And so if we don't want to be like the 90% of people who are going to do the opposite of institutions, then we want to operate like an institution, which means we need to be patient, be disciplined, buy at discounts, which is exactly what I'm going to show you in today's video. Now, more importantly here is that price action was still bullish. Even though it had sold off drastically, if we take a tool from the bottom here to the top, price was still making a higher low. We never swept that low, which in most cases means that price is going to bounce and break out once again. A really good example of this that we've been trading over the past couple of months is AMD. If we get out of this bar replay, you're going to see that AMD pulled right into smart money zone and broke out. Robinhood pulled right into smart money zone and broke out. Reddit pulled right into smart money zone and broke out. UNH is pulling right into smart money zone and going to break out. This doesn't always work, but what you have to understand is that we're getting such a ridiculous discount that when it does work, we're getting paid 100%, 200% on shares, not even options, right? Like we're not even trading options here, we're trading shares. And when we lose, it's going to be relatively small. A great example of a trade that I lost a little bit on right now is Lululemon. There's a chance that this bounces, but even if I just take my loss and walk away, it's not that much. 20% loss for a potential 100% upside. I'll take that every day. Now, getting back to SoundHound. When we look at price pulling into this smart money zone, which is exactly what was happening in that initial call out, we know that we're getting a discount, but what we need now is to make sure that selling pressure is finishing up and that buyers are starting to step in. The way that we do this is by using this indicator at the bottom of your screen called the BX Trender. This is going to show buy and sell pressure. And you can get access to this indicator as well as the smart money zones, volume profile, and all of our indicators completely for free down in the description. Our 12-step trading system, all of the courses are down there. No credit card, no catch, no bullshit. Completely free in sequential order. You'll get access to the BX Trender indicator, smart money zones, volume profile, and more importantly, we even have courses on trading discipline to help you with things like we said before, patience, risk management, and discipline overall. Now, as price pulls back into this level, what we want to see is a bounce off of that smart money zone. And we want to see the BX trender no longer making lower lows or showing dark red, and instead close with a higher low. This right here is our first confirmation or indication that this is a bottom. And so from here, what we would want to do is enter into this position. From there, we want to set a stop loss if price closes lower low and the BX trender starts to show selling pressure. If not, we want to see the BX trender turn green, which confirms buyers are stepping in, and we continue to hold until the BX turns red. And so, yes, there will be times that we gave back some profits. For instance, here, dropped 27% within 14 days. But as long as you stick to the system, as long as you use patience, the system will play out over the long term. And from where we would have entered up until now is about a 50% return. From the smart money zone up until right now is about a 100% return. So now that you understand why we entered, you have to understand where we are headed right now. In order to do that, we're going to look at a couple of things. Number one is going to be this volume profile indicator on the right side of your screen, which, like we said, you can get in our masterclass series down below. This indicator is very strong and very powerful because it shows where shares have been bought and sold in the past 150 weeks. And what we're really looking for on this volume profile are going to be these thin gaps. These thin gaps are very important because we tend to reject on these thicker areas because that means there was a lot of shares and a lot of activity there. But these thin gaps tend to fill or break out very quickly. So if we're actually able to push through this resistance, there's a chance that SOUN just within the next 3 months pushes another 40 to 50% up to $22. And that's where I plan to take a good portion of my profits off the table. There's still a chance it rejects, right? There's a lot of pressure sitting right here at $16. But if we can sweep that, this stock is going to move very, very quickly. So that's my target for the next couple of months. Now, let's take a shorter term look at the stock currently. And there are two things that I want to look at. Number one is going to be this daily chart. This daily chart right here is showing exactly what we want to see. Bullish market structure on a smaller time frame and buying pressure on the BX trender. This is a very good sign that this breakout could continue within the next 20-30 days up to $18. Now, something that's even better on top of this, which you guys can learn how to read for free, which is options flow in our step 4 of our masterclass series, is going to be the fact that there have been an insane amount of options buyers, specifically for call options, coming into this stock over the past couple of weeks. Now, this is the trading dashboard for all of my private Discord members and all of our private academy members. But if we click here on the unusual flow section and scroll down, you're going to see back here on September 8th, we saw some insane buying coming into the options market here. We had over 90,000 call options come through for a strike price of $15, expiring 1 month from now, basically October 17th. This is a huge sign that this stock is going to continue to rally into the next month because these buyers overpaid. They wanted to get in as soon as possible. And this is normally a good indication that the breakout will continue. So I think there's a very good chance that in the next couple of weeks, this thing is going to hit $18 and I'm going to continue to hold on to my position. As always, thank you guys and girls for all of your support. It truly means the world to me. The link to our entire trading system and indicators will be down in the description. I'll see you all next time.